Hello everybody, myself Dr. Shubhadeep Das, Consultant Pediatric Cardiac Intensivist at NSH Howrah, on behalf of all in this hospital, introduce you to our new state-of-the-art Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. As you all know, pediatric cardiac services have been our specialty, and now we try to expand the domain of pediatric services even further to general pediatric ICU as well. This unit has been built as a 15-bedded pediatric ICU, which will be able to cater all kinds of pediatric emergencies, including respiratory emergency, neuro emergencies, trauma, of course cardiac emergencies will be addressed. At the same time, oncological emergencies. This is one of the largest pediatric intensive care units which will cater this part of Bengal, including Howrah, Holdia, Bardhaman, Medinipur, as well as several other districts. We will provide all forms of intensive supportive therapy as well as facilities for monitoring. To name a few: mechanical ventilation, we have facilities for non-invasive ventilation, central venous pressure monitoring, invasive arterial pressure monitoring, bedside ultrasound guided central line placements, chest tube placements, facilities for monitoring LA pressure when and where required, as well as inhaled nitric oxide. We are also in the process of procuring ECMO, which is the most advanced forms of life support therapy. I think what sets us apart from other units, probably across the state or somewhere else, is that we offer 24/7 subspecialty services, which includes pediatric cardiology services. We of course have an excellent pediatric cardiology team here, pediatric cardiac surgical services, neuro services including neurology and neurosurgery, oncology services, orthopedic services. So on this day that we are inaugurating our PICU, I would seek your earnest cooperation so that we can offer excellent care to the sickest children in our unit. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Debashish Das, Consultant Cardiac Surgeon from Narayana Super Speciality Hospital. It is a matter of great pride that finally we are able to launch our pediatric intensive care. This will be a state-of-art PICU in this entire region, including Howrah. And it was a long cherished plan in our scheme of things. We have established ourselves as a center of excellence for pediatric cardiac care. I think it is time to extend it to other pediatric specialties, surgical as well as medical. And I'm sure that with Dr. Shubhadeep Das at the helm of affairs, things will definitely take shape in a much better way. I wish him all the best and the PICU. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amitav Chattopadhyay, pediatric cardiologist and heading the Department of Pediatric Cardiology at Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Howrah. It's indeed a matter of great pride that we are starting our state-of-the-art PICU at Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, which is presently 14-bedded. This unit will be headed by Dr. Shubhadeep Das, and so far we have been having the pediatric cardiac intensive care and pediatric cardiac surgical intensive care. So this was the need of the hour, because this is the first time that we are having such a big unit in the city of Howrah, which was so far devoid of such a dedicated unit headed by a dedicated pediatric intensivist. So this will be dealing with all super specialties like pediatric oncology, pediatric orthopedics, pediatric cardiac surgery and pediatric cardiac care, and also all the allied sciences, pediatric gastroenterology, so that the pediatric population in this city and beyond, from the nearby states and from the nearby zillas, they can come here for their treatment. And we have a very dedicated team for 24/7 on-call system who can cater to this population at the call of a instance. So I wish him all the best, and I wish that everyone patronizes this unit so that we can show a good work which will be doing and produce extensive research work on this particular form of science. Thank you very much and wish all the best.